Hello guys, thank you for tuning in my channel. I got a new Wipro Smart Bulb from Amazon. So I thought of doing a video on how to set up the smart bulb using Wipro Smart application. Also, you can control this bulb using Google Assistant and Alexa. I will also show you how you can link this bulb with Google Assistant application and Alexa application. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Let's go into the video. Here is the bulb. So this contains a Wipro Smart Bulb in it. So it comes with a thread model which you can fix it in the holder, and it also has a manual on how to fix it with Alexa and Wipro app. Has around 16 million colors. You can control the brightness, you can set a schedule or timer to turn it on and turn it off in certain time, and also you can link it with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Now I have fixed the bulb on the holder, and I'm going to Play Store and trying to install Wipro Smart Home app. I have already installed it. So when you do it for the first time, you might need to open an account and set up your profile. So I already have a profile, so I have logged into that. In the home page, you can find the option known as Add Device. So click on Add Device, and here you got to select Light Source Wi-Fi, and it will ask you for the Wi-Fi name and the password. Select the Wi-Fi that has been configured in your home. Click on Next, and here you have to wait until the bulb keeps on blinking. So it's searching for the device, give it some time. So it's now initializing the device. So it is successfully added. Here you can rename the device, the bulb as you can. So I am giving a name as, click on Save. So now we have successfully added the bulb to our Wipro Smart application. Now you can control here. So the first control which you can do is you can change the color of the bulb from white to a warm color. So I'm controlling here, and you're able to see it in the screen. And also you can reduce the brightness and increase the brightness. And you have color option here, so you can select whatever color you want. Green. So there are 16 million variant color which you can select with. You can select the contrast of the color, increase and decrease, brightness, increase and decrease. And the other option, you have something known as scene. So you have a night scene. When you're reading, you can use this read option. When you're working in laptop, likewise you have a few different scenes which you can use. And you can also schedule the time. So you can just click on add, and you can schedule a time when your bulb wants to automatically switch on, or it wants to automatically switch off. So you can schedule the timer also. So now we are going to link our Wipro Smart Bulb to the Google Assistant. So for this you need application known as Google Home. It will allow you to log in with your Gmail ID. So to start with, you have to first create a home. So I'm giving a name as home. Click on next. So we can skip the address. So for now we do not look for devices. So once you have created a home, you have to click on this plus symbol and select set up a device. So you have to select works with Google, where you can connect light bulbs and plugs. Post which you will get a screen. You have to add a skill here. So our bulb is Wipro, so we can select Wipro Next Smart Home and link. Here you have to enter the login ID and password that you use to log into the Wipro Smart application. So once you log in with your ID and password, and you can click link now, your bulb will be appearing into Google. After the login, now you can see Wipro Next Smart Home is linked with Google. So we will go to the home screen. So in the home screen, you can find that hall bulb is linked with Google Assistant. Now let me show you how we can control it over voice. Turn off hall bulb. So as you can see, Google took the command and it turned off hall bulb. Turn on hall bulb. Turn hall bulb to red color. So this is how you have to link your smart bulb to Google Home, which you can control over your voice. You can control it over your smartphone Google Assistant application, and also if you have a Google Home device at your home, you can control it from there as well. And now let's see how we can link this to Alexa. So I'm opening Alexa and click on devices. There click on the plus symbol. You have to select add device. Here you got to select light and then select Wipro, that is our company. After that you have to select next, then enable the use. This is a skill which is used to control, and click on agree and link, and that's it. It's very simple. Now we will try Alexa. Alexa, turn off bedroom bulb. Alexa, turn on bedroom bulb. And now Alexa, turn bedroom bulb to red color. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would be uploading many more videos in the future. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.